Good morning. How are you? We're coming live from QSI Benin.
That's right.
And we are excited to be with you today. We are in spirit, not necessarily in class, but we are here with you and for you.
Yeah.
So let's get started. Let's take a little journey through our morning. First up is going to be some reading. We are going to read a frog and toad story, which is really nice. Sevens are going to read it, and sixes, you get to listen to it.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do an activity. And after that, we're going to go right into writing. Sevens, you're going to continue work on your incredible plays, which I can't wait to read. They're due Friday, Monday at the latest. We're checking for grammar, punctuation, and really neat handwriting, and just a wonderful story. I can't wait for that. And Mr. Bell?
Yeah, for the writing part, we are going to do 4 pages in our Reader's Notebook, Volume 2. Just 4 pages, and we'll stop there for a while.
Okay, and then we're going to move on to math. Seventh, we are going to continue our work on data, and we are going to be focusing on picture graphs. And Mr. Bell?
Yeah, for math, for sixes, we are going to do the 4 pages, review 4 pages in math on chapter 9. We finished our chapter 9, right? So we're going to review the 4 pages that we have and probably do our skinny book on the following day and have our test on Friday.
Okay, and last but not least, we are going to have a little bit of science. I'm going to keep it a secret, but it's not going to be a full lesson. You'll see what it is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, before we leave you, we have to take you on a Moodle walk.
Yeah.
We're going to explain how this platform works.
That's right. Let's dive directly in the Moodle page. On the Moodle page, you will see like it's written like 6 and 7 superstars.
Because you are superstars.
You are. So you scroll down, you just scroll down, and after the first thing you see is news forum, right? And that's where we keep our lesson plans for the day.
Right. Both 6-year-olds will have their own lesson plans and 7-year-olds will have your own lesson plan. So it will make it easy for you.
That's
okay?
Right.
Hi guys, when we come down to literacy today, you are going to click on, if you are a 6-year-old, you are going to click onto the audio of Frog and Toad Are Friends.
Yeah.
And if you're a 7-year-old, you're going to be reading it, so there's a PDF for you, which you will read. And then underneath that, it says Frog and Toad Are Friends activities. You have a couple fun activities to do. And we like at least 3 sentences from the 6s and about 5 sentences from the 7-year-olds for this. And then as we go down a little bit farther on literacy, 7s, you have your writing assignment for the week that you can click on and double check and see that you're keeping up.
Where is it?
Right there.
Yeah, for the 7s, yeah, right here. You click on writing 7, so March 24th through March 30.
Yep.
Yeah, so for the 6s, for the 6s, if you forgot what to do, you have your lesson plans here. You just click on it and it will tell you what to do. And let's dive in math, right?
Okay, for math, as you can see, it says math, March 24th to 2020, 7th math, and it has your lesson plans there.
Yep. For the 6s, you will have also your lesson plan for the day, lesson plan for the 6s, math. What you need to do, you're just going to review the chapter 9 and the 4 pages. I told you before, it's just 4 pages and you can do it. So, what's something else?
There's going to be something special under science, but we're going to keep it under wraps.
Yeah.
We want to have a little bit of a secret for you guys. So we're going to log off for now and Remember, your parents can get hold of us if you're having any issues. They know the ways to get hold of us, and we look forward to you having a great day.
That's right. And if you think you want extra work, we have some packets on Moodle also. You can go and open it and print it and just start working on it. If you feel like you want something more, you have, for instance, for 6s, you have a extra packet here for them in math, and extra packet writing, extra packet here. What is it? It's right somewhere. Extra practice writing for 6s. So you can print it and work on it the whole week or for 2 weeks. And if you finish it, great. Just make your let your parent take a photo of it or scan it and send it to us. Good. So let's stop here for a while.
Okay, have a good one.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care, guys. Bye.